This hair right here, baby girl, your baby mom could never. Your girlfriend, she can never. Like, she can never.
Peanut butter seeds came perfect time. Rich, but I'm still ducking one time. I seen the light and I climbed in. Had to take 'em out, we ain't gon' dine in. Shawty done fell in love with all my diamonds.
Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am installing hair from Dola Hair's company. The hair comes inside the DHL package because it is shipped across from another country. The hair comes in a really cute sack. This is really cute. Inside comes the hair you ordered. They sent me some free hair clips. That's girls, which is cute. And I also purchased, they called it knot healer. It's basically like foundation. So when you install it, it gives you like a more realistic scalp kind of vibe. I actually think this is really cute. So one side comes the actual foundation. It's really cute. I purchased 3 30-inch bundles with a 20-inch frontal. It is a 13x6. I also paid to get it made into a wig because that just eliminates the process for me. I don't have to go ahead and put it together. It's already made. Why not? $8 not gonna kill me. So I thought, that was a good deal. Filling it is pretty heavy. I don't know if you guys are good with weight, but it says that it's 0.5 kilograms, which is like a little over a pound. So this wig actually isn't like super duper light and skimpy, right? And honey, this is long, okay? This is long. This is the longest hair that I ever in life had. This is their Brazilian body, which is like, honey. Like, I don't even know what to say. This is so long. And the inside, it comes, this is the frontal. It's 13x6. It's full. It's not like cut off, so you can actually part it as far as you need on either side. It also comes with the adjustable band. It's like very similar to a bra strap. It's not just stretchy, so yeah, I feel like it'll stay in. You also have the option of removing it because it comes with like another little bra strap thing right here. So it has 4 combs. It has 1 in the back, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, and it also have these elastic wig bands. So yeah, this is just, I feel like this unit will be very secure. I really don't like. Okay, you guys, so I just went ahead and I slicked my hair back with some mousse, and I'm putting on my stocking cap. You're going to want to make sure you pull it all the way down. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start my ball cap. You're going to want to cut holes in the ears area so that the front of it can lay nice and flat. Do the same thing to both sides. After you're done, you're going to take your gel. I took my Gotta Be glue gel and I gelled it all the way around the headline. This protects your hairline from any glue and basically any stress from the lace front tugging on your hair. After you do that, you're going to want to take your Gotta Be glue gel. You're going to want to take your freeze spray and you're going to freeze spray where you place your gel. After you take your freeze spray, you're going to want to go ahead and let it air dry. You can let it blow dry, but I just prefer to let it air dry. That works for me, so that's what I do. Once you're done that, you're going to go ahead, you're going to put some foundation, makeup, whatever color matches your hair. You can even go like just a tad bit lighter, and you're going to put makeup all over it. You're going to want to make sure you cut all of the excess stocking cap off, because girl, you do not need all that stocking cap. Just cut it off, okay? Once you cut it, you're going to go ahead and you're going to apply your layers of glue. But before you like go to that part, make sure you cut as much of the stocking cap off that you possibly can. When you place your glue actually isn't going to be placed on the stocking cap. It's going to be placed on your forehead. So just be cautious of that. If you have too much stocking cap, your lace front will not stick. And girl, it will be a hot mess, okay? A hot mess. So finish cutting all the lace off. Once you get done, you're going to want to take some alcohol, some kind of sea breeze, whatever you use to clean your face, as long as there isn't any oil or anything like that in it. I recommend 91% alcohol. That's what I use. I clean my hairline, my forehead, and I go ahead, and once that's fully clean and dry, I start putting layers of my glue on. I normally do 3 to 5 layers for a more secure hold that lasts a few weeks. You're just going to go ahead, put little dots. You can take the back of your comb or whatever you have, a popsicle stick, smooth it down, make sure it dries clear. Then you can begin placing your lace frontal on. Where you place it is where it will stick, so make sure it's lined where you want it. My head is small, this wig is really big, so I placed it a little ahead. Yes, I had to cut off a lot of extra lace along with hair, okay? Just because, you know, it wasn't fitted to the size of my head. If you have a lot of hair, or if you have a lot of hair or a bigger head, I think this may be the perfect unit wig for you. Once I'm done that and I placed it in, I took my comb, I combed it in, just to like press on it. You really don't want to use your fingers because you can mat the hair. So it's best to use a comb to do it. Once you get done with your comb, pressing it in where you want it, go ahead and take your elastic band, stretch it as full as possible. Make sure it's nice and snug. Let that dry completely. Once it's completely dry, you can go ahead and you can begin taking your slick stick. Well, I recommend using a slick stick because it helps with all of the flyaways that you may have. I feel like just about every hair has flyaways. It just helps to like slick it down without really weighing much on your hair. Then you're going to go in with the hot comb. The hot comb is very important because it helps melt everything in place. And yeah, that's about it. You're going to take your band off and go from there. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. My boyfriend called. I had people coming over. Had to cook. I just had so much stuff to do. I just went ahead. I cut the lace. I styled it. And now I'm in the process of curling it. I'll show you guys the end result when I get done. I know that girl, she got swag, but when it comes to putting it together, she could do better. I sent that girl a DM, she ain't answering me, so you know that I gotta shoot 2 at her. Yeah. Gotta shoot 2 at her. Yeah. I hear a little Uzi. Gotta shoot 2 at her. Go.